Hi, welcome. This is BootUp, the start of the upgrade. LifePatch, it's about to begin. I'm not here to preach. I'm not here to tell you what. I'm here to tell you what actually worked for me. How I went from running all code to rebuilding myself one habit at a time. Most people live blind to the loops running their lives. They wake up, grab the phone, scroll, dopamine hits, guilt, repeat. And repeat day after day. BootUp is about breaking that pattern. It's about turning the system off and turning it back on with intention, this time under your command. This system is the result of my failures and relapses. All that time and effort that I wasted before became LifePatch. I didn't fix anything overnight. I just started seeing the bugs. And once I could see them, I could patch them, I could update them, and I could run cleaner, leaner, and way better. Week 1 is not about perfection, it's about awareness. 2 simple patches for this week, gratitude and humility. You will write 5 sentences each morning, 5 things you're grateful for that make you go, that make your life be worth it. 5 things that remind you your life is bigger than your impulses. And then, the humility scrub. For me, I clean the toilet every day, every single day. That makes me go down, bow my head, and breathe. And be present, cleaning the toilet every day. These 2 habits changed everything for me. They gave me the clarity I needed to actually see what was messing up my life. Your job this week is really simple. Notice, track, observe, but especially and mostly show up every day. No judging, no hating yourself. Just awareness. When I ran LifePatch consciously, everything slowed down. I could finally see how deep my loops were. And that awareness alone was the first patch that changed my life. So, here's the mission for the week. Gratitude, 5 things today, the humility scrub, and also one more thing. Track your loops, notice, be aware, and find the strongest of them, the one that has more pull on you, the one that makes you feel helpless, weak. Save that patch for the end, okay? That vice is going to be for the end. Momentum buildup and will force will be running consistently in your system and will make it easier for you to overcome it. That's it. Small wins, slow steps, consistency, reps. Awareness, not drifting. I'm asking you to believe that if you stay consistent and show up, even on the days, or especially in the days you don't want to, you will feel the difference in a way that's hard to ignore. When you reach the end of the week, you will look back and realize you're running different. You're thinking different. You're catching yourself earlier. You're not living on autopilot anymore. BootUp grants you the control. It's the moment everything turns back on, but this time, remember, this time it's under your command. Welcome to Human OS Update, version 1. Let's run it clean.